SCP-3008 Object Class Euclid. Special Containment Procedure. The retail part containing SCP-3008 has been purchased by the Foundation and converted to Site Blank. All public roads leading or passing by Site Blank have been redirected. Entrance to 3008 is to be monitored at all times, and no one is to enter 3008 outside of testing as permitted by senior researchers. Humans exiting 3008 are to be detained and debriefed prior to the administrators administered. Depending upon their stay in 3008, a cover story may need to be generally prioritized to release them. Any entities exiting 3008 are to be terminated. Description: SCP-3008 is a large retail, previously owned by the brand as Ikea, a popular furniture store, retail chain, and a person entering 3008 through the main entrance and passing out of the sixth side of the doors will find themselves translated to SCP-3000-1. This displacement will not typically go unnoticed, as no change will occur. From the perspective of the victim, they will generally not become aware until they try to return to the entrance. 3000-1 is a space rambulation inside IKEA and IKEA furniture stores, extending beyond the limits of what's physical to be contained within the dimension of retail unit. Currently, measures indicate an area of at least 10 kilometers to the power of 2, with no visible terminators detected in any direction inconclusively. Results from using a laser rangefinder have led to speculation that the space may be infinite. SCP-3000-1 is inhabited by an unknown civilian trapped with prior to containment. Gathering data suggests only mutant civilizations within 3000-1, including the construction of settlements and fortifications for the purpose of defending against SCP-3008-2. SCP-3008-2 are humanoid entities that exist within 3000-1. While super sophisticated and remembering humans, they possess excellent and incompetent body proportions. Often you describe being too short or too tall. They possess no facial features and observe all cases wearing yellow shirt and blue trousers, consisting within the IKEA uniform code. 3000-1 has a unique day and night cycle to turn on the light within the space activated. Deactivating constant will be closed and open as many times. Original retail store during the night, instances of SCP-3000-2 will become violent towards all other life forms within 3008-1. During these bouts of violence, they be heard to be vocal phrases. The English type of is quote unquote, "Door is now closed. Please exit the building." Once the day begins, instances of SCP-3008-2 are immediately become passive and become released throughout 3008-1. Seemingly at random when they are unresponsive to a question or verbal cues in the state, will react with violence if attacked. SCP-1 is known to have more than one or more exits within it. Using these exits do not appear to have fixed positions, making it difficult to leave 3008-1. Using any other door besides the main exit will enter a structure, or breaking it through the walls will lead to anonymously entering interior of the original store. Since containment began, 14 individuals have managed to exit 3008, following extensive debate of all individuals have been administered to amnestics and released. Incident 2000-1. At 7:30 on the director, a human male exited 3000-8. Following 10 seconds later, an instance of SCP-3008-2 was caught and killed. The man before itself was terminated by the arms of a responsive person. This incident represents the only time an instance of SCP-3008-2 has been exiting SCP-3000. A full autoplay on the corpse was just performed. Seeing SCP-3008-2 autolog for more details. End of log. If you enjoyed that video, go check out my most recent video and the playlist. Goodbye.